Fluorite, also known as fluorspar, has a chemical composition of Ca2 and is a halide mineral of equaxed crystal system. It gives off blue or purple fluorescence when exposed to ultraviolet or cathode rays, or when heated, hence its name. Crystals often take the form of cube, octahedron, or cube, interspersed with two crystals, aggregate in granular or block form. Hard objects such as iron and stone are strictly prohibited from entering the machine to need to process the material particle size to ensure that below 3 mm. Otherwise, it will affect the molding and reduce the service life of the machine. Trifluorite powder ball press is strictly prohibited to start with heavy load, and it is strictly prohibited for non-technical personnel to disassemble and adjust the equipment randomly. For fluorite powder ball press, regular maintenance, observation reducer, and bearing seat is lack of oil.